Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply log in your Stripe Express account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to simply log in into your Stripe Express, all you need to do is simply tap open your Stripe Express app. So once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on sign in. So once you tap on sign in, you will be in this kind of interface. So here, simply type in your email address, and once you have done this, type in the password of your email as well. After doing this, you can simply tap in the sign in button and you will be logged in or signed in your Stripe Express account. However, if you have forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot your password and simply tap on continue button. Once you do this, you will get a link in your profile or email about your resetting of password. You can simply tap on it and reset the password of your account. So by following this simple and easy way, you can log in or sign in your Stripe Express account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.